हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं फिर से लेकर आई हूँ एक नई टॉपिक जो कि है मैंने यहाँ पे 100 जीके एमसीक्यूज़ दिया है जो आपके कमिंग एग्जाम एडीआरई के ग्रेड 3 ग्रेड 4 एग्जाम के लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद रहेंगे। यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ ग्रेड 3 का पेपर 3 एंड पेपर 4 ही दिया है और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सबको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छे लगेंगे। अगर अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और कमेंट भी कर दीजिए। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम। Question number 1. Who is known for the invention of the World Wide Web? Options: Tim Berners-Lee, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 2. Who invented the codes for telegraph? Options: Benjamin Franklin, Samuel Morse, Albert Einstein, John Baird. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Samuel Morse. Question number 3. Which scientist discovered X-rays? Options: Marie Curie, Wilhelm Roentgen, Max Planck, Ernest Rutherford. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Wilhelm Roentgen. Question number 4. Where are the headquarters of FIFA situated? Option: Bonn, Berlin, London, Zurich. And the correct answer is option number D, that is Zurich, Switzerland. Question number 5. Who was the first Indian cricketer to score a double century in ODI? Options: Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, Kapil Dev. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 6. Which color is not present in the Olympic flag? Option: red, green, purple, yellow. And the correct answer is option number C, that is purple. Question number 7. In volleyball, how many players per team are on the court? Options: 5, 7, 6, 8. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 6. Question number 8. In the following list, who was a football player? Options: Gilbertson Sangma, Karfi Roy, Tai Buneza, Mitu Borua. And the correct option is option number A, Gilbertson Sangma. Question number 9. In a game of Coco, how many members of chasing team enters the field and sit on their knees? Options: 8, 10, 9, 7. And the correct answer is option number A, 8. Question number 10. How many rings are there on the Olympic flag? Option: 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct answer option number B, 5. Question number 11. Robbers Cup is associated with options: basketball, football, volleyball, tennis. Correct option is option number B, that is football. Question number 12. Who is the father of computers? Option: James Gosling, Charles Babbage, Dennis Ritchie, Bajorni. And the correct option is option number B, that is Charles Babbage. Question number 13. What is the full form of CPU? Options: Central Processing Unit, Central Processing Unit, Central Process Unit, Computer Process Unit. And the correct option is option number A, that is Central Processing Unit. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a type of computer code? Option: EDIC, ASC2, BCD, EBC, DIC. And the correct option is that is option A, EDIC. Question number 15. From the following list, identify the hardware component that can be used to transfer files from one computer to another. Options: BIOS, hard disk, CPU, USB flash drive. And the correct answer is option number D, that is USB flash drive. Question number 16. Which of the following is not an operating system for computer? Option: Windows 11, Linux, MS Office, Ubuntu. And the correct option is option number C, that is MS Office. Question number 17. Who first discovered Harappa? Options: R.D. Banerjee, M.G. Mazumdar, D. Asani, S.R. Rao. And the correct option is option number C, that is D. Asani, and in the year 1921. Question number 18. Fahen, the Chinese pilgrim, visited India during whose reign? Options: Samudragupta, Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II, and Kumaragupta. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Chandragupta II, who took the title Vikramaditya. Question number 19. Who was the first Governor General of India? Options: Lord William Bentinck, Lord Canning, Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Lord William Bentinck. And Lord Canning was the last Governor General as well as first Viceroy. Question number 20. Who established Ramakrishna Mission? Options: Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, Pratana Sabha. And the correct option is that is option number C, Swami Vivekananda, and that is in the year 1897. Question number 21. Name the first woman president of India. Options: Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Pratibha Patil, Draupadi Murmu. Correct answer option number C, that is Pratibha Patil. Question number 22. In which year civil disobedience movement took place? Options 1922, 1927, 1930, 1932. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 1930, and that is in the month of March, 12th March. Question number 23. In which of the following location was the Quiet India movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1942? Options Shivaji Park, Brabourne Stadium, August Kranti Maidan, Pragati Maidan, and the correct answer is option number C, that is August Kranti Maidan. Question number 24. Yuan Sang visited India during the reign of the king. Options Harshavardhana, Asoka, Vishnugupta, Samudragupta, and the correct answer is option number A, that is Harshavardhana. And Harshavardhana is also known as a Siladitya. He has made Kannauj his capital and wrote 3 dramas, that is Priyadarshika, Ratnavali, and Nagananda. Question number 25. Which of the following events did not take place in 1919? Options Rowlatt Act passed, Montague Chelmsford reforms were announced, partition of Bengal, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. And the correct answer is option number C, that is partition of Bengal, and it took place in the year 1905. Question number 26. The Gol Gumbaz, the mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah, is located in options Bijapur, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bhopal. Correct answer option number A, that is Bijapur. Question number 27. Where is Ellora Cave situated? Options Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Jaipur, Delhi. Correct answer option number A, that is Maharashtra. Question number 28. Kothari Commission on Education was appointed in which year? Options 1960, 1961, 1963, 1964. Correct answer option number D, that is 1964. Question number 29. Who first cited the Drenowell theory in his book titled Poverty and Armed British Rule in India? Options R.C. Dutt, Dadabhai Nauroji, C.R. Das, Motilal. Correct answer option number B, that is Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 30. Bimbisara was succeeded by options Asoka, Ajatasattu, Vasudeva, Chandragupta Maurya. Correct answer option number B, that is Ajatasattu. Question number 31. Swaraj Party was founded by options Ambedkar and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Aruna Asaf Ali and Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru, Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. Correct answer option number D, that is Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. Question number 32. Agnes Kongsa Bejachui has been more popularly known as options Meeraben, Arundhati Roy, Mother Teresa, Sister Nivedita. Correct answer option number C, that is Mother Teresa. Question number 33. The most common animal figure found at all the Harappan sites is the options unicorn bull, cow, elephant, tiger. Correct answer option number A, that is unicorn bull. Question number 34. In which year the title Viceroy was given to the Governor General of India? Options 1867, 1858, 1876, 1905. Correct answer option number B, that is 1858. Question number 35. The chief of the Ahom military during the reign of Suhumung and the husband of Mula Gabaru was options Purananda Borgohain, Prasenmung Borgohain, Kamsen Borgohain, Kongsen Borpatra Gohain. Correct answer option number B, that is Prasenmung Borgohain. Question number 36. In which year the British transferred the capital of India from Calcutta to Delhi? Options 1911, 1913, 1907, 1910. Correct answer option number A, that is 1911. Question number 37. Which of the following steps did the Rowlatt Act incorporate? Option forced to buy foreign goods, restriction on wearing khadi, imprisonment without trial, restriction on travelling abroad. Correct answer option number C, that is imprisonment without trial. Question number 38. The second battle of Panipat fought between Akbar and Hemu was in the year options 1526, 1536, 1556, 1576. Correct answer option number C, 1556. Question number 39. Who said freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? Options Chandrasekhar Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bhagat Singh. Correct answer option number B, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 40. The term Tirthankara is associated with options Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Hinduism. Correct answer option number A, that is Jainism. Question number 41. National Youth Day is celebrated on options January 10, January 11, January 12, January 13. Correct answer option number C, January 12. Question number 42. International Women's Day is celebrated on options March 6, March 7, March 8, March 9. Correct answer option number C, that is March 8. Question number 43. World Water Day. Options March 22, March 23, March 24, March 25. Correct option, that is option number A, March 22. Question number 44. Assam Day is celebrated on options 1st December, 2nd December, 3rd December and 4th December. Correct answer, that is option number B, 2nd December. Question number 45. As on 31st March 2022, how many districts are there in Assam? Options 34, 35, 36, 37. Correct answer, that is option number B, 35. Question number 46. Which district of Assam was created in January 2022? Options Bojali, Baksa, Tamulpur, Hojai. Correct answer, that is option number C, Tamulpur. Question number 47. Who was the author of A Tale of Two Cities? Options Charles Dickens, Adam Smith, Karl Marx, Jonathan Swift. Correct answer, that is option number A, Charles Dickens. Question number 48. Who wrote Ignited Minds? Option Amartya Sen, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer, that is option number B, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 49. Convenient Action, Gujarat's response to climate change is written by options Narendra Modi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pratibha Patil, Draupadi Murmu. Correct answer, that is option number A, Narendra Modi. Question number 50. Who wrote the book Malguri Days? Options R.K. Laxman, K.R. Narayanan, R.K. Narayan, R.K. Pandit. Correct answer, that is option number C, R.K. Narayan. Question number 51. Mahabharata is written by options Valmiki, Ved Vyas, Tulsidas, Kalicharan. Correct answer, option number B, that is Ved Vyas. Question number 52. Who wrote Astadhyayi? Options Panini, Ramdev, Vishnu Sharma, Amar Singh. Correct answer, that is option number A, Panini. Question number 53. In which year Constitution of India was passed? Options 26 November 1949, 26 November 1950, 26 December 1949, 26 December 1950. Correct answer, that is option number A, 26 November 1949. Question number 54. India has borrowed the concept of fundamental rights from the countries given below. Options UK, USA, Russia, Ireland. And the correct answer is option number B, that is USA. Question number 55. Which part deals with amendment of Constitution? Options Part 20, Part 19, Part 21, Part 22. And the correct answer is, that is option number A, Part 22, and it belongs to Article 368. Question number 56. In which year Nagaland was created as separate state? Options 1960, 1961, 1963, 1965. And the correct answer is option number C, 1963. Question number 57. In which article Dr. B.R. Ambedkar termed the heart and soul of the Constitution? Options Article 20, Article 25, Article 29, Article 32. And the correct option is, that is option number D, Article 32. Question number 58. Which article deals with the promotion of international peace and security? Options Article 51, Article 52, Article 53, Article 54. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Article 51. Question number 59. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with constitutional emergency? Options Article 352, Article 354, Article 356, Article 360. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Article 356. Question number 60. Article 17 of the Constitution of India deals with the abolition of options slavery, bonded laborers, untouchability and sati. Correct answer is option number C, that is untouchability. Question number 61. In which year did the Supreme Court of India appoint the first woman judge, and whom did it appoint? Options R. Bhanumati, Indu Malhotra, Fatima Bibi, Indira Banerjee. Correct answer is option number C, that is Fatima Bibi, and that is in the year 1989. Question number 62. Water in plants is transported by options xylem, epidermis, phloem, cambium. And the correct answer is option number A, that is xylem. Question number 63. Which of the following is not a component of chlorophyll? Options calcium, carbon, magnesium, hydrogen. And the correct answer is option number A, that is calcium. Question number 64. During photosynthesis, green plants absorb options oxygen, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is option number D, that is carbon dioxide. Question number 65. Both CO2 and H2 gases are options colorless, heavier than air, acidic in nature, soluble in water. And the correct answer is option number A, colorless. Question number 66. Minamata disease is caused by options mercury, cadmium, nitrate, ozone. And the correct answer is option number A, that is mercury. Question number 67. Barak Valley is an important part of which of the following states of India? Options: Nagaland, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is option number B, that is Assam. Question number 68. Instrument used to measure earthquake is known as. Options: seismograph, quake meter, barometer, none. And the correct answer is option number A, seismograph. Question number 69. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Options: nanometer, barometer, altimeter, hydrometer. And the correct answer is option number B, that is barometer. Question number 70. The study of universe is known as. Option: cosmology, astrology, seismology, limnology. And the correct answer is option number A, that is cosmology. Question number 71. Name the largest planet. Options: Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Jupiter. Question number 72. What is the middle layer of the structure of Earth's interior? Options: crust, core, knife, mantle. And the correct answer is option number D, that is mantle. Question number 73. The layer of the atmosphere having lowest temperature is. Options: stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, none. And the correct answer is option number C, that is mesosphere. Question number 74. Which of the following disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine? Options: solitary thyroid nodules, goiter, thyroiditis, thyroid cancer. And the correct answer is option number B, that is goiter. Question number 75. Where is the headquarters of WHO? Options: Vienna, Geneva, New York, Paris. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Geneva. Question number 76. Land of rising sun. Options: Japan, South Korea, Korea, Thailand. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Japan. Question number 77. What is the capital of Egypt? Options: Delhi, Cairo, Helsinki, Paris. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Cairo. Question number 78. Name the national flower. Options: lotus, rose, sunflower, marigold. And the correct answer is option number A, that is lotus. Question number 79. Niti Aayog was formed. Options: 1st January 2015, 2nd January 2015, 3rd January 2015, 4th January 2015. And the correct answer is option number A, that is 1st January 2015. Question number 80. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was set up. Options: 2nd October 2015, 3rd October 2015, 4th October 2015, 5th October 2015. And the correct answer is option number A, that is 2nd October 2015. Question number 81. Which river does not originate in the hills of Arunachal? Options: Dihing River, Kameng River, Dibang River, Kolong River. And the correct answer is option number D, that is Kolong River. Question number 82. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Options: Shillong, Aizawl, Impal, Kohima. Correct answer option number A, that is Shillong. Question number 83. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Options: Khartoum, Colombo, Bern, Australia. Correct answer option number B, that is Colombo. Question number 84. In which year Election Commission was established in accordance with the Constitution? Options: 25 January 1950, 26 January 1950, 25 January 1951, 26 January 1951. And the correct answer is option number A, that is 25 January 1950. Question number 85. Attorney General of India is appointed by whom? Options: President, Vice President, Governor, Prime Minister. And the correct answer is option number A, that is President. Question number 86. What is the age requirement for Lok Sabha? Options: 20, 23, 25, 30. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 25 age. Question number 87. Who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Options: Meera Kumar, Pratibha Patil, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Meera Kumar. Question number 88. The ozone layer is located within the. Options: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere. And the correct answer is option number B, that is stratosphere. Question number 89. Oxygen contains how many percentage of composition? Options: 78.08%, 0.03%, 0.93%, and 21%. So the correct answer is option number D, that is 21%. Question number 90. Name the densest planet. Options: Earth, Mercury, Venus, Saturn. Correct answer option number A, that is Earth. Question number 91. Whose satellite system is Phobos and Deimos? Option: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Mars. Question number 92. Mohiniyattam is which place dance form? Option: Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa. Correct answer option number B, that is Kerala. Question number 93. Kano is which place dance form? Option: Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Goa. Correct answer option number A, Assam. Question number 94. Which of the following state has got largest forest in the country? Option Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. Correct answer option number A, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 95. Which of the following northeastern state shares the longest boundary with Assam? Option Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, none. Correct answer option number B, that is Meghalaya. Question number 96. Which is a head stream of Brahmaputra river? Option Dikod, Kameng, Dihang, Disang. Correct answer option number C, that is Dihang. Question number 97. Assam has common boundary with Indian states. Option 2, 5, 6, 7. And the correct answer is option number D, that is 7. Question number 98. Ranghar was built by option Rajeshwar Singha, Rudra Singha, Pramata Singha, none. Correct answer, that is option number B, Rudra Singha. Question number 99. Upanishad are books on option politics, philosophy, medicine, social life. Correct answer option number B, that is philosophy. Question number 100. Which is the smallest national park in Assam? Option Nameri National Park, Orang National Park, Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Manas National Park. Correct answer option number B, that is Orang National Park.